Hi guys, oh my god. Hi, I haven't been filming since last month of, I think, 5th, because when I did an unboxing on that vlog, I did it on the June 1st, and now it's like literally July 3rd, which is like the day before Independence Day, and I'm filming. I'm back. Like it's done. It's July, so I already had like my I think it would like almost like a month of rest of not filming, not worried about what to put it up there. I just like really needed that, you know, extra like day off of not filming. But yes, I'm back here. So I'm back with another unboxing, and it's a bag unboxing, and this is not from your usual luxury stores like Louis Vuitton, Gucci. So I saw this brand on Instagram. It was just like an ad, and I remember my friend at the Mimi, she ordered or I think they gave her like that bag, and I fell in love with this particular bag, and I haven't unboxed this, you guys. Like, see, it's still fresh from the box, so I'm just gonna open the box really quick. Let's just unbox this, and it is from Angela Roy. I'm gonna leave the link in my description box below. I know this is not sponsored. I bought this bag with my own money. So Angela Roy is a luxury designer vegan handbag brand, and that's like the first time I hear like a luxury vegan brand, which is kind of like good. And it says, we use high quality vegan leather and work with skilled artisan to craft our handbags. So that's Angela Roy, and let me just shut up and open this box. Okay, so it comes with this card. It says Angela Roy, New York here, and it says welcome the rebellion, there is no one working, da, da, da. So it's just like a card from Angela Roy. And then I believe this is the return and exchange policy, return process, yeah, and a label. Okay, gotcha. All right, so what's inside this box? Oh my god, it comes with a dust bag. There you go. So it comes with and it's black. It comes with a dust bag. I love that it comes with a dust bag, and I will explain you guys why I choose this bag. Okay, let me just I haven't like seen this. Oh my god, you guys ready? Ta-da! Oh, let's see this. All right, so after the dust bag comes with the plastic, which is, I don't understand. Okay, anyway. Oh my god, oh my god. So I got the Eloise Satchel. This is the name, or like the design of, like the style of the bag. Oh my goodness. It smells interesting. It says for too long fashion has da 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 da. Okay, so I like how that's the tag. Okay, let me just remove the plastic. So this, let me open it real quick. It comes with a strap as well, so you can actually wear this on like your shoulder. That's okay, so you can do this like shoulder bag, and also sling. Like, it comes with a strap. Let me just the strap, and the strap is also adjustable, which is really good. This is the strap. Look like it's like gold hardware right there, and it's adjustable. It has like 1 2 3 4 holes in them. That's good. So the interior is brown. It's like brown sugar color right there, and the last in this part right here has like a zipper. There's like a compartment there, and the zipper has the AR, which is like the initial, which is Angela Roy, and then there's yeah, so comes with this right here. It actually has like a little more slit here in the third one. So there's 3 compartments right there. This is a tiny one here. Maybe you can put like a card case here, and then oh, there's another slit in the second compartment. So it's just like a slit. You guys can see, but this is hard. There you go. Right there, that's a slit. And so there's 2 big compartments and one here, which is a third one. And there's zipper and another extra slit here. Oh my goodness. And it's there's print that Angela Roy in the back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And also right here, right there, like Angela, you can barely see it. And also in the side, it has this like fuchsia color and says AR, which is Angela Roy. I think it's just one side, so this side has the AR. So that's the bag it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys 360 right there. So there's no slit in the back, just in, you know, just the one in here inside. So that's the bag look like, 360. Let me take this plastic out really quick. This is like the perfect shoulder, and I will put the exact measurements on the description box below, or you can click the link for exactly for this bag, and you get, you know, like all the information is in the link anyway. So yeah, I love that. And I'm gonna try to put the sling really quick. Okay, so this is the sling. Looks like I said, you can like adjust it, or you can just take these. So you can just unhook this and use it as a sling bag. It's up to you guys. I feel like I can use this both ways, like sling bag and also like a shoulder bag. If you don't want this hanging in your bag, then you can easily like just unhook this. But if not, you can just, you know, put it up like this. But if you don't want a sling, you can take this off as well. It's really easy. You can just unhook. There you go. Like, that's the hook. It's so easy right there. And, you know, use this as a sling bag. And yeah, I think this is like much better if it's sling. My preference is, oh, that's just my preference. And also, you know, I like the style both, like totally rock it. Like, I feel like this bag, I'm gonna be using this almost like running errands. And I feel like I've been using my Prada, like the nylon bag, and it's very tiny. Like the shoulder is not too, I mean, it fits, but it's kind of like uncomfortable. So a lot of times I use it like hand-heeled, or like put it, you know, like use it like this. But yeah, I feel like this is like the perfect, like this length is like perfect for like if I use it on shoulder. Okay, so they have the nude one. Wait, no, not nude, light mud. They have dark brown, ash brown, deep olive, and coral pink right there. Like I said, the name is Eloise Satchel Signet. And I am gonna probably get the Cheer Mini or the Grace. I believe it's Grace. This, I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. But they have like quite, I mean, not quite a lot. They only have like few designs. Let's see, I want to show you guys what. Okay, so the Grace crossbody, I feel like my neck's like, it's very simple. It's just like a square box looking bag. But yeah, I don't know, I like it. And I think I'm also gonna get the other one, but we'll see about this first. Like, I'm gonna use this first before buying another one from this brand. And if you're like starting on, you know, buying like luxury, check this out as well, because they're really, well, not cheap. They're like 200 something dollars. I'm gonna put the price, the exact price, in the description box, because there's no price in here. But yeah, that is all for today's video, you guys. If you have any question about this handbag, and I will probably keep you guys updated on this bag, maybe like 1 or 2 months after. And I can't wait to style this and, you know, take a picture of it, like style it on like my outfits, especially summer. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already. It's glenn.tawney, and I'm gonna try to post more pictures on Instagram now because my Instagram feed is very dry. So follow me there, and also I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.